How do you use lattice multiplication with decimal numbers? You can also use lattice multiplication with decimal numbers. The method is the same as integers, but you need to put the decimal point in the right place in the final answer. Let's look at an example. 5.134 times 7.2. There are 4 decimal places in total in these two factors, so there will be 4 decimal places in the final answer, just like long multiplication. This lattice will be 4 cells wide and 2 cells high. Since 5.134 has 4 digits and 7.2 has 2. You write 5.134 above the lattice and 7.2 down on the right side, like this. Then you draw diagonal lines from the top right to the bottom left. Each cell contains the product of the digits belonging to that cell. You write the ones place digit in the bottom right part of the cell, and the tens place digit in the top left part of the cell. As seen before, you can start in any cell. I choose to start in the bottom left. Remember to write a 0 in the tens place if the product only has 1 digit. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And 4 times 2 equals 8. In the next row, you have 5 times 7, which is 35. 1 times 7, which is 7. 3 times 7, which equals 21. And 4 times 7 is 28. You find the final answer by adding the numbers in the diagonals. Start at the bottom right. Only 8 here, so write 8 under that column. The next diagonal is 8 plus 0 plus 6, which is 14. Write 4 under the column and carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 equals 6. So write 6 under the column. The next diagonal is 2 plus 7 plus 0 plus 0, which equals 9. The diagonal after that is 0 plus 5 plus 1, which is 6. And the last is just 3. Where should you put the decimal point? Remember that there are 4 decimal places in the factors, so there are 4 decimal places in the final answer as well. So the decimal point must be placed between 6 and 9. So 5.134 times 7.2 equals 36.9648. You can use lattice multiplication when you multiply decimal numbers.